Yet others say that you appeared to rejuvenate the devotional service of hearing, remembering, worshiping, and so on, in order that the conditioned souls suffering from material pangs might take advantage and gain liberation.
So, Asmin Bhave. Asmin means this, creation. Bhave means creation. Bhava. Bhava means you become. You become means you vanish also. As soon as there is question of you become, you vanish also. Anything which is born must die. This is the law of nature. The so-called scientists are trying that they will stop death by their scientific research work. But they do not know that anything born must die. Janma mrityu. This is relative. And anything which is not born, that will not die. The matter is born. Anything material that is born. But spirit is not born. Therefore in the Bhagavad Gita it is said, na jayate na mriyate va kadachit. The soul is never born and therefore never dies. The bhavas mean, bhava means this material world, cosmic manifestation. Bhavas mean krisyamananam. Anyone who is within this material world must work. This is material world. Just like in the prison house, it is not possible that he will sit down and he will be honored just like son-in-law. No. In our country, son-in-law is very much worshipped. Worship means flattered, may not divorce the daughter. Therefore, nobody should expect we may speak something humorous about son-in-law in India. Formally, it is still the system that the daughter must get married. That is the responsibility of the father. It is called Kanyadah. A father may not get his son married. That is not very great responsibility. But if there is a daughter, the father must see that she is married. Formerly it was 10 years, 12 years, 13 years, not more than that. That is the system, that was the Vedic system. Kanya. Kanya means before attaining puberty. Kanya. The Kanya Dhan. She must be given in charity to somebody. So, in the Kulin Brahmana, very respectable community. So, it was very difficult to find out a suitable son-in-law. Therefore, formerly, one gentleman may become a businessman simply by marrying. In my boyhood, when I was a student, a school student, so I had one class friend, he took me to his home, so I saw one gentleman who was smoking, and he told me, do you know this gentleman? So I asked her, how can you know? He is my aunt's husband, and my aunt is the 64th wife of this gentleman. 64th. So, these cooling Brahmins, their business was like that: marry somewhere, stay there some days, again go to another wife, again go to another wife, again go to another wife. Simply going to the wife, that is business. This was a social system we have seen. Now these things are now gone. Nobody will marry the husband who has married 64 times. But it was there. So son-in-law, in that case, is very much honored. There are many stories. We should not waste our time in that way. So here, in this material world, who is born, he should not think himself that I am honored guest or honored son-in-law. No. Everyone has to work. When you see the whole world, in your country, there is president, everywhere. He also working hard day and night. Otherwise he cannot keep his presidency. It is not possible. The whole brain is congested with political affairs and so many problems, solutions. He has to work. Similarly, a man on the street, he has to work also. This is the nature, material nature. You have to work. It is not the spiritual world. Spiritual world means there is no work. There is simply ananda, joyfulness. As you see from reading Krishna book, they are not working. Krishna is going with the calves and the cows. That is not working. That is amusement. That is amusement. They are dancing. They are going to the forest. They are sitting down on the bank of the Ganges. Sometimes the demons are attacking. Krishna is killing. This is all pleasure, amusement, anandamaya abhyasa. That is spiritual world. Let's take a sample of spiritual activity. We have got so many branches, so many members, but we are not working. Simple, a sample of spiritual life. Our neighbors are envious. How these people dancing and chanting and eating. Because they are working hard like cats and dogs. We have no such responsibility. We haven't got to go to office or factory. Just see practical example. This is only a little tinge of spiritual life. Simply you are trying to come to the spiritual life, a sample. In the sample is so much enjoyment. In the sample, just imagine what is reality. Anyone can realize this is practical. To take to spiritual life, we are inviting. Please come, join us, dance with us, take prasadam, be happy. No, we shall walk. Let's see, what is our business? We are canvassing simply. Please come. No. Why? I shall walk like cats and dogs. That's all. So, just try to understand, this is the difference between spiritual life and material life. Material life means you have to work. You will be forced. Avidya, karma, sangha, anya, titya, shaktirishyate. While analyzing the energy of